So the basic concept of the mail merge is that you are taking a document, and you can do this in Publisher or in Word. When I actually did certificates, my certificates were in Publisher. But if you are using Word, I thought I'd do the demonstration in Word, but the process is still the same if you're using Publisher. I just downloaded a certificate template from the Word database when I started new. So I've got a basic certificate here. If you are using a different certificate layout for each of the types of awards, then you can type in the actual certificate here. However, if you're using the exact same layout for all the different types of certificates, we can use this in the mail merge too, and I'll show you how to do both ways. We've got a blank line here for the awardee information, and then you'll probably put in a signature file here for the people that are signing the certificates. That's the way it was handled. We didn't have everybody signing each individual certificate. So you can tell from this slanted line here that it's already formatted to Century School Book 38, bold and italics. So this is already formatted to be the way I want. You can do the formatting before or after. So over here you can see I have an Excel spreadsheet that has my student's first name and last name and the award that they're getting in the third column. I do also have field names in the first row, and that's important to remember because Word is going to ask us that. So I have both of these documents saved in this Mail Merge Demo folder. It's important that once you create a Mail Merge pair that they stay where they are. So if you create this on one desktop and then email things around, Word is going to get confused as to where to look for the recipients that it's trying to merge into. So just be advised they kind of need to stay put once they're created. So I'm going to go ahead and close out this Excel spreadsheet so we can focus on our Word document. First step, in the Mailings tab at the top, I'm going to select recipients and use an existing list because I already have that Excel spreadsheet. And then browse to wherever your data is. I actually have it in a folder on my desktop, Mail Merge Demo Files. And then there is my Mail Merge Demo data. In this dialog box, it's just asking me to verify which sheet I want to use, and also to make sure that the first row of data contains column headers. Now I have access to this field right here for Insert Merge Field. I'm going to click that and tell it first name, and then remember to hit the space bar or you are going to be doing this again. And then last name. And I can take a look and preview the results, and it looks like it's got all the names here, so that's working just fine. If, however, as I mentioned, you have the exact same certificate layout for all of your awardees, you can go ahead here and replace these words with the award merge field. And again, don't forget that space. Preview results. And now I can see I do have all the student names, and it is updating for each of the awardees. So to finalize this, if everything looks like it's the way I want it to be, I'm going to finish the merge. And I always selected Edit Individual Documents. Even though I didn't plan on editing them, this option right here sends all of the merged certificates into a single Word file that it's really easy to save and send off to Thomas for printing. So I'm going to merge to Edit Individual Documents, all the records, okay? And now we have a brand new file here, Letters To, and you can scroll down. I have all of the awards and all of the student names. You'll notice the awards updated as I went, okay? And then at this point, It's just like any other Word document. I'm going to save. Demo complete. Make sure that you have a distinctive name for your completed document so you don't end up sending the wrong thing. And that's it. Now we've got one big file with 100 certificates in it that we can send over for printing. And it took me about 5 minutes to do. So easy peasy. Let me know if you have any questions or need any assistance with setting up your documents.